So this question comes from Adamar from our forum. If you haven't joined, go to forum.tokenmetrics.com. So he says, what's the best project to invest in under $1? So he says, so I have $500. I want to invest in the safest, highest, high risk reward project under $1. What do you suggest? I mean, that's definitely quite the question. Well, I think before we kind of delve into how we would do this, I think there's a misconception when it comes to investing in crypto that does confuse lots of newbie traders and investors. So this is also why Ripple is very, very attractive and popular to newbies, because they go in, they see Ripple has what its price is 30 cents or lower, and they think, oh man, this is third or fourth in market cap. I mean on coin market cap, and its price is very low. It must be a good project. But I mean, quite frankly, this is something I also had as a mistake when I joined crypto, and somebody had to kind of pull me aside and teach me about valuations and market cap. And the thing is, it's not the price that matters. I mean, yes, the price is a factor, but it's about the total valuation of a company, its market cap. So if we go here to Token Metrics, as I pull it up here, so Ripple is in our system. Let me pull up Ripple. So Ripple's price is 20 cents, which is low, and it seems sexy. However, its market cap is 8.87 billion, almost $9 billion is Ripple's market cap. So you're not looking about the price going up. So for Ripple to do a 10x, its market cap would be over 80 billion, almost 90 billion in market cap. Now, what's the likelihood of that happening, right? Because if we look at purely market caps, I mean, Bitcoin's market cap is 178 billion. So for Ripple's market cap to shift that quickly is highly unlikely. Yes, it's possible. Don't get me wrong, because it did happen back in the last bull run. However, it's more realistic for a lower cap coin to do a 1x or 10x, and just to have a larger return because it has a lower market cap. So for example, if we take something like Matic Network, its market cap is only about 70 million. So it's more realistic for Matic Network to go from 70 million to a 700 million market cap, basically a 10x. This is assuming there's no additional inflation or tokens entered into the supply, than it is for a company or cryptocurrency to go from where it was. So XRP was about 9 billion to 90 billion. So that's something I think people have to factor in. Now, if we go back to the question was, what cryptocurrency is good to invest in that's under $1? So one of the cool things about Token Metrics is we can add filters. So if we add a filter here, let me see if this works. Okay, so this is showing us cryptocurrencies under $1. And if we sort this based on rank, these are the cryptocurrencies under $1 for day trading that Token Metrics likes. If you want to see the value investor, just go to tokenmetrics.com and join for a 14-day free trial. But for day traders, meaning that trading for 1 day, could also be swing traders with a time frame of a week to a month. So Zilliqa, Baidu, MadeSafe, Ravencoin, Dogecoin, Komodo, Inside Chain, Blockstack, Helium. So these are the cryptocurrencies out there under $1 that our models like. Now for value investor, I think that's really where the money is, in my opinion, because day trading, you do lose money going in and out, and it is more speculation. If you're a value investor with a longer time horizon, I definitely recommend you go through Token Metrics and just filter through based on price. Bill, any comments or thoughts on investing like this?
Sure. Okay, so this is a common theme in cross equities, right? People who come with small amounts of money and then they want to play in penny stocks, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I like to think of it as simply as I can, right? Things like Coinbase are probably going to have lower priced instruments that are of a higher quality, or they wouldn't be on Coinbase. That's just a guess, right? Not investment advice.
Mm-hmm.
So there actually are two relatively low price currencies on Coinbase. There's CRX, which, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe that's a decentralized crypto exchange.
Mhm.
And then there's my favorite, Tezos, that takes advantage of the proof of stake concept. That's only 2 something, right? It was 3 something and it went down to 1 something. It was at 1 something at a point. Okay. So if you're looking to, if you're looking for that 50x, those are 2 possible candidates. If you want to dream the dream, and like my dream the dream token is Decred, right?
Decred, yeah.
Right. I'm always bringing that up from time to time. So, but the thing is, if you need lower price things because you don't have a lot of money, then maybe stick with lower price things where there's some liquidity, which would be, say, on Coinbase. So that was just my 2 cents on that.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think Coinbase, I would say Coinbase is definitely one of the better exchanges out there in terms of vetting what cryptocurrencies they list. Now, with that being said, we definitely do recommend you use research platforms and tools like Token Metrics, or just research before investing, and always make sure what you're investing in is liquid, because something could be a great project, but if it ends up being illiquid, that's almost the same as losing all your money. I mean, because especially in 2017, I know lots of investors, myself included, who got into products we thought were great, ended up being illiquid, and as a result, they ended up being bad projects. So, because at the end of the day, there's so many risks when it comes to investing. Not just risk with the investment, but you have liquidity risk, as Bill mentioned. You have team risk, where the founder just quits, like we talked about last week with the Loom Network and also Cosmos. I mean, so even good projects, if a founder just pulls a Dave Chappelle and just goes to Africa and does not come back, I mean, anything is possible. So even with great investments, you always have to be cautious when it comes to investing or trading.